Greeting, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can add currency to this figure right there. Yes, currency. All right, so I'm going to click right here. Notice if I block everything right here. I come right over here. Notice it says numbers and all of that. Right, if I come like this and click, you notice how far it is. You notice the currency add. But if I come like this now, and I go right back here and I click, and I come like the currency, you notice the difference right here with it. But what if I wanted to do all of it? No, I can actually come like this, lock everything right here, come up here, and then the currency, just like that. So definitely, they notice it have 2 0 out at the end. So if I want to increase the decimal section here, I come right here. You notice right here, this is decrease. So I come like this. You notice everything gone to 1 0. If I come right over here and I click, notice it gone to 2 0, 3 0. Alright, and that's where you can actually increase and decrease the decimal. So this is where you actually add currency right here in your Excel sheet. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.